Hello guys and welcome back to another analysis. So this will be a quick entry look into the London session. So this will be GPU USD. Yesterday we got this drop and I predicted that the price to get back here, and that is exactly what it's doing. So if we move to the 15-minute time frame, you could see that we pretty much have imbalance right from here to here. So I think the price is trying to feel that my sell limit is up here uh around 1.2574. The stop is there and the profit is down here. But take note of this, all right? There is a sort of structure right here. So you might be taking some profit around this area. So you might just put the price tag on it, all right? So put the price tag on there, just leave it there. So might be taking some partial or might be closing most of the profits here. So we had a broke structure here, the price is trying to get here, activate, and then we might be looking, the price activate, and then we might be shorting it. So that's it on GPUSD. We have a similar projection on Euro USD. As you can see, we have our projection here. So the price climbs up here, it dropped down to the center. We saw the price gaining strength around this area. We saw the price broke structure here, all right, and we saw it, continue bullish. So what I'm projecting now is two, right? The price may come down back here at this OB, and we might take a long entry again back here before we sell it, or we might just put the sell limit, all right? So the sell limit might just be there, and the buy limit might just be there. So we might be selling the two thing there, all right? But if you are putting the sell limit, your TP has to be here and here. So in total, we might be looking for up to 84 pips in profits. All right. So that's it about your USD. I can make you videos from which you can see that the price broke. So we're having a very good sell projection here on Euro USD. And the next one will be the USD JPY, as we are having as we are also in a very critical condition. You can see that the price broke here yesterday. I was looking for price to test here today, and maybe we could continue bullish, but I think the price is trying to get back around to this OB. So we might be waiting for the price to get there before we make the next decision. All right, might be looking for a buy to continue to complete the bullish move to get to the daily high, and the price might not even just get there. So if we get a breakout from here, we might start shorting it down here. As you can see, the price did well, climbing up, and we can expect the same thing. Made a higher high, we might be expecting a higher low before continuation. All right, so that's it about USD JPY. And my next pair, like I said, I'm just talking about entries. I'm just breaking it down. I will still go back to this pair one more time again. All right, so there we have Nasdaq. Although there was an entry here running already, like I explained yesterday. So if you want to watch my previous analysis, you may want to go to my YouTube channel and search the previous messages. So you're going to get everything in the previous analysis. But what we're looking for entries today. So if you go to the 5-minute time frame, for some time in the indices, you might get very good entry in the lower time frame. So what we see here is the price is going bullish, all right, mitigating. So we have a high here, all right. So we have a lower high here, higher high, lower high, kind of higher high, because we hit a structure right there. So the price is trying to break the structure, all right. We have another low, we have a little Y right there. So the price is still mitigating. So if I'm really sure about, see, you can also check this out. So we have a structure here, which the price came back to test. So we're very sure that the price is going to break to the upside, and we're going to continue bullish. All right. So you could see that happening here. We could see that the price broke the structure here, continue test out the previous OB, and made a new high, but you could see that right here, this structure here is not yet broken. So what we can do right here is that we can go to the minute time frame. All right, so we can go to the minute time frame and look at the best entry. So one of the best entry I can still say is still here. This will be right here. I think the price is probably coming back there to test. So you might be looking on where to set a sell limit around this area. You know, you might be looking, and the stop will be just under here, and you have to watch out for these as well, because the price may eventually come down there. But what I'm saying is, the most important thing is that the price is going to touch in this OB. So either here or here, be prepared. And that's one thing about the sell limit, the limit orders, because you clearly don't know if they're going to go deeper or they're going to reject immediately. So that entries criteria is this: if the price should get here, all right, if the price should get back, you get back into this OB, might be looking to get the entry, boom, up here, right? And the second projection, if the price breaks this eye, because might not get it, we break this eye, yeah, that would be like an impulse entry straight up from here. We might put our stop just below here and our TP around this area. So yeah, we're looking at as a 1 to 12 risk to reward. So let's just put it here. All right. So that's what we're looking for on NASDAQ. All right. I hope you understand that as well. And the next pair I want to talk about is DXY, because everything now is based on dollars. All right. And I just want you to use that to get more, preview on Euro USD, so you can, get your view right on Euro USD. So on Nasdaq, our previous pair was this, that the price is going to continue, but as you can see that the price actually broke this trend, and I was expecting the price to get to this pool before pulling up, but it broke this trend, meaning the price might continue bullish, right? It break this bearish trend we've been in a while, the 4 hours bearish trend. So my guess and my projection is that the price is coming back, right, to test structure here, breakout, right? So first we have a whole B around this area, and also we have another one probably around this area. So what I'll be looking for now will be my buy projection, since I'm looking for a sell projection again. So if you flip it to the upside down, we're having the same look as Euro USD. So, all right. So if you check your Euro USD, we probably have the same thing. So what we might be looking for now is a buy projection on Euro USD, right? We're looking for buy projection. Oh, sorry, on DXY. It's yeah, a buy projection on DXY. All right, so let's flip it back to the normal. Yeah, so here we might be looking for a long entry around this area, and the TP will be here. We have a lot of TPs, right? Because we had a lot of structures. So we might be looking for TPs to be here. Around this areas. So all these areas, what we're going to, we have to watch out for. The last target we have to prepare. And yeah, so that would be it on DXY. The stop doesn't have to be this big. Stop can just be here below. Very good risk to reward. It does it about the trade for London session. Those are the peers I'm looking at for London session. I'll see you guys on the next pair. If you want to join, check out the link, join the Telegram. You're going to see everything. All right. Thank you, and thank you so much. See you guys on the next one.